project represents so much to me. It represents hope, not just for Ghana, but for Africa. This project tells me that individuals can make a significant contribution to positively impact their community. This project tells me that there is hope for Ghana, and there's hope for the children in rural and less endowed communities.
This entire project was the result first of an act of love. It was an act of giving. There were alumni from Yale University that came to Yamoransa 10 years ago when this building didn't exist. And because they were grateful for the education they received, they wanted to pass it on to others. That's why this building was built. This personally means to me an act of ongoing gratefulness, of ongoing giving, that the children here may learn and be so grateful that one day they will choose to give to their children and to the next generation of students that come to Yamoransa.
The structure came up quickly, but there were some unfinished parts of it. And so I can see today I am hugely impressed. Everything is just shining and bright. All the equipment are in place. The children are happy, the teachers are encouraged, and there is so much positive feeling because everybody can feel the progress and can see that they are moving in a good way, in a good direction. So for me, this edifice represents the beginning of greater things to come.
We don't simply come into the community and say, we want to build this for you, or want to do that for you. The model, the Yamoransa model, calls for all of these individual institutions to buy into it and to embrace it and to put in some of their own resources as we bring the major resources from the US to build the projects that we want to build. The Home Econ Center is a special center that we're building for the people of Yamoransa, particularly the children of Yamoransa. Again, this whole process started from Yamoransa. So there are certain things that if the community asks us to do, we'll be more than happy to do for them. So this is a special initiative that we've taken for Yamoransa, but it's not part of our overall strategy of building the centers.
Having this Home Econ Lab is something we so much appreciate. It's something we love to have. And as we have it now too, we are very, very happy to have it here. Because sometimes you do practicals, there are certain things the children need to know as to some equipment. They've never seen some before. So this is an eye-opener for the children.
I'm very, very excited that our lab has been elevated to another level. And we are hoping to impact the knowledge to the young ones and the old ones that will use the lab.
Jafet Kufwi and I got together and said, we have something greater here. We have seen labs fail. We have seen Americans or foreign aid companies come in, drop some computers and leave. We want something better. And from each of our three perspectives, we had in our own professions worked with development goals. So we all knew about them and we all realized that what we were doing was just in step with the Sustainable Development Goals.
Just in the quest of making sure everything is done the right way, it took a lot of effort. But hopefully, and as we follow the process, we realized that it's very beneficial and we've been able to have this project fully successfully managed, and now we're going to be dedicating it today.
Amen. At Implementers, we're focused on development project management until we were called upon by the Helping Africa Foundation and Friends of Yamoransa to complete, some scope of work that was incompleted in the building. And this was to try to complete the home economics room as well as the conference room, which is upstairs. And all this was to make sure that the center is fully functional and can stand on its own as a sustainable model, because the Yamoransa model is all about sustainability.